Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate the Suho hurdle-inspired design. Start off by painting your index nail purple. Section off a triangle near the top with striping tape and fill it in with white. Keep using white polish to make a curved line near the tip of the nail. Fill the line in with yellow and then use black to make zebra print on the white triangle. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the middle nail, start off with a white base, and when that's dry, section off the bottom third of the nail with striping tape and fill it in with yellow. Make a purple rectangular outline above the yellow section and then fill it in with yellow. Use a light purple to make two tall rectangles for the flower pots on either side of the box. Use a couple of shades of green to add leaves to the tops of the flower pots. Using dark purple, write Boss inside the center box. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the ring fingernail, start with a white base and section off the bottom third of the nail with striping tape. Fill it in with purple. Use yellow to make an S shape on the white section. Make the curves of the S thicker and fill them in. Repeat the pattern until it fills the whole nail. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the pinky, you'll again want to start with a white base, section off the middle third of your nail with striping tape and fill it in with yellow. Use purple to make a checkerboard pattern on the yellow band. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the thumb, start off with a light purple base. Use a dark purple to outline everything but the tip and the cuticle area. Use yellow to write hurdle in the center. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!